Hello all. So in continuation to the previous video, we are going to discuss what is the datasheet of a wire and what details does it give us in regards to the construction of the wire itself. So here we have a polycab wire datasheet which is for single core zero point 0.5 square mm wire. So this is type of cable called FR. FR means fire retardant, and the voltage grade is written as 1100 volts, as well as one core zero point 0.5 square mm wire. So here we can see the wire itself, and here it is written, all the data is given on the wire itself. So as you can see, polycap panel wire, zero point 0.5 square mm, 1100 volts. So let us check the outer diameter of this wire. In the data sheet, it is given as 21 mm. So if we use a vernier to check the outer diameter, so this is how you check a outer diameter of a wire. So if we check here, the the size of the outer diameter is somewhere around 2 mm, which is the current scale of my vernier. So this is the outer diameter, and let's open. As you can see in the cross section area, as it is given in this picture, the inside is the bunched copper, and outside construction is the insulation. So let's open up the, let's strip the wire, and I can show you the inside of the wire. So as you can see, we have stripped the wire itself, and as it is a multi-strand wire, uh, also it is mentioned in the datasheet. This There are very thin strands, which makes the cable flexible, as well as the costing also increases for multi-strand wire in regards with single core wire. So if we go ahead and count these strands, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So as you can see, 15 strands are available in the actual wire. Let's compare with the datasheet given by them. So here, have they mentioned any number of strands? Um, so they have not mentioned number of strands in the datasheet, but this information varies manufacturer to manufacturer. As you can see, the datasheet we compared from another manufacturer, it gives us the number of strands. So this is also a zero point 0.5 square mm wire, which has 19 strands, but in polycab wire we saw 15 strands. So it all depends on the construction of the wire, and the standards it is going to be applicated for. So this wire is it's in regards with the standard ISO 6722-1, and this polycab wire complies to the complies to the let me get IS 5831 slash 1984. So as per the polycap the standard, the polycap wire complies with the standard. So here is the other information of the wire. So here they have given the minimum bending radius. So minimum bending radius, they have given it as 6 times of the overall diameter. So in comparison, so why the bending radius is always given in regards to the outer diameter of the wire. So whenever they say 6 times the overall diameter, it means it can be maximum bend only up till 6 times. Now by hand I can measure, but it is around somewhere around this size. So you can't bend the wire this much, because due to aging the edges will get torn apart and the insulation may get failed in this case. So this is the idea of bending radius. Other parts are maximum conductor temperature at the terminal of the short circuit, so 160 degrees Celsius. These are the test results provided by them as per their cable. Core identification, there are multiple colors. Here we have the blue color, um, and fire retardant properties of the cable is given here. So this is about the single core zero point 0.5 square mm wire from Polycap. So let us check the other wires we have here. So here is another wire from another manufacturer. This is a pre-crimped harness. So as you can see here, the data is given on the body itself. So here they have given 125 degrees Celsius, 600 volts, and the diameter of the wire is given as 4 mm. So this all the information is given on the wire itself. So this is a special type of wire. This has the actual inner insulation. Above that they have also given, so the black part you see is the insulation, and the red color part is the outer insulation. So this is a special type of wire and is required um, in a special applications. This is the crimping on the one side. Here you can see the strands of the wires are coming out from the lug, and here is a blade terminal, or we can say spade terminal, which is a 90-degree bend, and it is insulated for protection purpose. So these are two types of wires. So this is a type of multi-core cable we have here. So within this cable there are multiple individual cores which are separately insulated. So red, green, white, black and yellow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So five core this is a 5 core cable which is crimped with terminals and then inserted into the connector, as you can see. So the part where the core is cut is protected with a heat shrink tape called HST. So here you can see the 125 degree Celsius temperature rating for the heat shrink placed here. So yes, uh, thank you for the thank you for watching.